Stop it. Get some help.
Pwede rin pala. Ito lang yung case. Baka pero madala.
Kilala niyo yung band na to? Fast something. Fast pitch? Fast pitch. Grabe.
Good morning, y'all.
Oh. Good morning.
Oh, good morning.
We're in Avisha Farm. We're in Avisha Farm. Hello, boy. Hello, boy. Guys, today is the camp. Wild camping. Tayo na. Parang laging nawawala pag nakatutok na yung camera. Good morning.
Good morning, everyone.
Edits. Gamer laptop, di naman kamo.
Starlink lang, pwede na tayo mag-Valorant sa camping.
Oh, it dialed. You've officially peaked.
Hey guys, so may hike kami mamaya. Na, yan. Daming dala. Kahit yung tripod din pala, bubuhatin. Follow us. What up, y'all? Let's go. We're about to hike. Sir. Honey.
Great. Our commander.
Sir. Gago left hand. Mali. So guys. Mag-hike na. Punta dun sa campsite. Uy! And we're back. Photo shoot lang kami konti. You wanna take pictures din? Here? After the hike, guys. Let's go. We are Hippie Highlanders!
Run.
Hippie Highlanders! Carl, don't run! Run. Gago, he ran. My shoes weren't made for this. And they're white.
That's crazy!
What do we want?
Camping.
Camping.
When do we want it?
No! Camping!
First things first, tarp. Init. Sino may tarp na madaling iset? Dyan. Video. Video boy, video.
this guy.
What did you do, sir? Man make tools.
Man, make tools.
Hey man. He make tools. Wow.
Oh wow, hey, it's my little drawing.
Wow. Wow.
Right? Wow.
Guys, ito na, may campsite na kami. Kumuha ng campsite. Hippie Highlanders. The Hippie Highlanders crew made a campsite. This is Maki's camp. Maki's spot. Room tour. Maki, room tour okay lang. Room tour. Tarp setup only. Ang ganda. Stargazing setup. You guys know my tent, I think. Or this is the first time I show my tent. And room tour. Got my stuff there. Shoes there. Carl, what can you say about our camp? You like? Man like. Toby, nagay ka naman sa vlog.
Hi guys. Welcome to our setup.
Follow Chicken Man. The Chicken Man? TikTok?
Man.
Chicken Man.
Chimkin man.
Chicken Man.
TikTok.
Yan si Boss Toby.
On TikTok.
Follow on TikTok.
Follow me.
This one, the campfire song. Let's gather around the campfire and sing our campfire song. Our CAMPFIRESONG song.
Nice.
Morning guys.
Pwede no. Magluto tayong kambing dito no. Pag madami yung dito dito. Kakamping kami.
It's Carl.
One hour later.
I can do it. Selena, get me a bag.
It's like your Christmas tree, but for
I wanna show them.
Now do you guys get it? Solid.
Much later.
Urban buildings. I see roofs. Fresh na ako. All the way to the car. All the way to the car. To the car. Lapit na. Go, Zach, go!
A few moments later. One million zillion jillion dillion cotillion times later.